Now, speaking of staining the floors, I need to get all these floors done in one go. Don't think, okay, I'll just finish the closet first and I'll stain it and I'll seal it and I'll put everything back together and then I'll be able to do the hallway, or I'll do the bedroom. Maybe I'll do the bedroom first and stain that and seal that so I can get that out of the way, and then later on, after I fix the leak or after I do something else, and when I get ready for it, I'll do the hallway and the closet. Then after that, I'll break this up into three projects. I do the bedroom first, I'll do the hallway and the closet first, and I'll close this pocket door going out into the main room, and I'll do this main room all in one project. Okay? Meaning I've got 3 projects going on. No, don't do it, don't do it. I'm telling you, do not do that. Because when you stain the floors, once you start, you want to keep going and get the whole thing done. So that's why this thing's going to come out. I would never even think about trying to stain the floor around this and then move this out later or something like that, or do this room last, let's say, because when you stop and start the stain, you're never going to get it to match perfectly. Especially, I'm going to use a Hudson sprayer, and oh yeah, it works pretty good. So you stick around, watch my videos. I'll show you how to do that when I get these floors ready. But for a Hudson sprayer, you're kind of putting a variegated look on it, and it's very difficult to stop in one thing. Like, let's say we do the closet first, and then we stop it right there, and the next day we do the hallway and this bedroom, let's say, all in one go. Don't do it. It's very difficult to match, okay? That's why I'm going to get everything ready, and I'm going to stain all the area in one go. Then I'm going to seal everything in one go. I'm going to wait for that to dry, put another coat of sealer on, waiting for everything to dry. So remember that. Speaking of staining floors, are there different ways to do it? Oh, of course. You know, you don't have to use a Hudson sprayer. There are other techniques. They talk about putting it on with a sponge, wiping it on with a rag, but whatever way you do it, you have to continue it. And still, I wouldn't rag this one room and stop it at the door and then start ragging the next day beyond the door, because if you get it too thick or too thin, well, if you get it too thick, you can't thin it up. So maybe you don't match it, and then you try to carry it out into this room that's already been stained, and then all of a sudden, oh shoot, that's too dark. How am I going to blend it in? If you get it too dark, you're never going to blend it into lighter, okay? And so that's why I suggest, no matter what method you use, you can go to the hardware store, you can talk to them, you can look at the directions on the stain cans, you can talk to somebody who's installed it before and all that, get some helpful tips before you go, or watch my videos too, and you'll learn different things. But whatever you do, do it all in one go.